Hey everyone, welcome back to Viral Creations. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to order from Temu while in the Philippines. It's super easy, so let's get started. Step 1 is to find the product you want. You have two ways to search for products: browse from the homepage or use the search bar. Once you've found your item, click Add to Cart. Step 2, Checkout process. After adding all your items, click Cart icon at the bottom of the screen and then tap the Checkout button to proceed. Step 3 is to fill in your personal details. Add the following informations: full name, delivery address, and contact number. After that, choose a payment method: debit or credit card, GCash if available, and PayPal. Step 4 is to submit your order. Double check all your information before hitting place order. You'll receive an order confirmation via email, including a tracking number. Step 5 is the delivery time. Shipping usually takes 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the products and location in the Philippines. You can track your order directly in the Temu application. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one.